From time to time, businesses need capital to fund the development and acquisition of assets, purchase businesses, and refinance properties. The capital budgeting process is used to determine the cost of the capital that is needed and is a fundamental process to the borrowing procedure. Interest rates, loan term, amortization period, administration fees, early payout penalties, corporate taxation rates, leasing alternatives, corporate tax, and capital cost allowance all factor into the formula that is used in determining the cost of that capital. These are the quantitative aspects of the loan process. In addition to this, there are qualitative aspects of the lending process. They include corporate structure, shareholders and corporate share structure, corporate bylaws and authorizations, guarantees, qualification of lender, financial and pro forma financials, municipal tax status, appraisals, anti-money laundering laws, and legal documentation and procedures. Your mortgage broker reviews and analyzes the quantitative and qualitative components of your loan application for suitability and completeness. As well, commercial mortgage brokers play an instrumental role in guiding the entire funding process from lender through to lawyer to ensure that those applications that are approved pass through the system in a timely manner. It is a matter of fact that a good commercial broker that is well prepared and efficient will outperform the people and the processes of the commercial lending and credit departments of banks, trust companies, and credit unions that offer commercial lending services to the Canadian business community as a walk-in or existing client. Commercial mortgage brokers add value to the capital supply chain for your company and its growth and financing needs. The broker allows you to go on with managing your business operations and not managing your loan officer's day. At Dominion Lending Center's Powerhouse Mortgages, we recognize this and employ sound processes so that you, as the owner, Vice President of Operations, or Chief Financial Officer, can maintain your focus on your business operations as your loan application passes through the triage and approval process of the lender. The goal of the commercial mortgage broker is to gather and review the relevant information. The first step employs gathering documents that identify the type of company, its structure, and detailed rules for its operation. Secondly, documents must be collected that will produce accurate and complete information about the company's historical, current, and future performance. Thirdly, documents are gathered that support the purpose of the loan request. Once these documents have been gathered, they are then analyzed by the broker to determine if the company is a good candidate for the borrowing that is requested, and if so, proposals are then submitted to the various lenders based upon how well the proposal fits the lender's guidelines. These 4 steps are generally completed in 3 to 6 weeks following the granting of consent by the borrower. The documentation required to process a commercial mortgage application is a heterogeneous group of items. Your broker will require copies of these documents and others that may be relevant to the loan application process. These type of documents fall into 5 general groups. First, consent and fee agreements. Second, legal, business, corporate structure, and registration documents. Third, business financial statements and pro forma financial statements. 4. Tax status and compliance position of the business. 5th, asset purchase, refinance documentation, and asset existent documents. If you are a client looking for a loan, or if you are a broker wanting to refer a client to Randell Toporowski's office and you're wondering what you need to do to get the process moving forward, it's simple. Call Randell Toporowski. Over the phone, we will begin a consultation process with you and we will begin the procedure of creating your mortgage and loan application. Randell Toporowski is an accountant in private practice and an associate mortgage broker with DLC Powerhouse Mortgages in Regina, Saskatchewan. He can be contacted at 306-541-5438.